gosh, has a pain the butt of this kid. Right now it's currently 9:30 in Utah, but the Powell families and the kids are going to bed tonight at 10 o'clock because Uncle Jay and the kids and more people are going to leave this building. So today we have a Diet Coke and lots of stuff here. So stay tuned for this video. We will do a unboxing. And we have this one from Seafood CD2. We're just gonna have some fun, right? And we have some Queen wipes here. If you guys want to grab Queen wipes, we're gonna have some fun. And now that's it for today's video. Where? Hey, what's up everyone? This is Tyler Pepper Second back in our video. So today's video we're gonna do a what I got for Christmas in 2020. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so last year's video we just posted a new YouTube video called What I Got for Christmas in 2019. This is the last year's video and we're gonna do a What I Got for Christmas in 2020. This is a special event for Christmas Eve in the day, and today is Wei One's 12th birthday, and tomorrow is a Christmas day at the 25th, and Noah and Rihanna's birthday is on Saturday at the 26th. So Noah's turning 9, Rihanna's turning 10, and we're gonna have some fun during the holidays. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this video. Sorry, my voice is about to be cracked. I can't even talk. Alright, so we are apologize from our delay. We are gonna do a new video called What I Got for Christmas in 2020. So basically we done this before since 2019. In today's video we're gonna do something for Christmas because Willie Blog and Noah just invited me to go to our new Christmas resorts. So I don't know what's going on, but I didn't get any releases or releases from the new company when we're having some Christmas presents or whatever. But anyways, we can't do it into the vlog right now. But sometimes we are just gonna have lots of Christmas presents, Christmas everywhere, or Christmas decorations in everywhere, and we will do another video of this one. Alright, let's go ahead and get to in this video. Let's begin. Okay, so first off, what I got for Christmas in 2020. So last year's video, in 2019 through December, last year's video, we made up this video about what I got for Christmas in 2019, and we're doing it for 2020. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so first off, we have a new Starbucks. So today's video we have a new Starbucks gift card. This is a new Starbucks when we bought it to our New Year's for the families, and we have a new Furker watcher. It made with the hazelnut chocolates, and the holidays are coming by through the Christmas. And if you take a look at this one, we have a new Christmas trees in the holidays are here. So we have a new floral Christmas and the holidays. And if you take a look on the back, you guys will see more holidays for Christmas. And this is pretty cool. So I want to see through the holidays and you guys will have some fun. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, they sent us a reward. Okay, let me read this off camera. $2. Okay, let's read this off camera. Womela from Corden, thank you for everything you do. What's that again? I'm gonna have to read it. Thank you for everything you do. $10,000 money cause for everything. ADC, what's that again? ADC in the positivity has no hose access for Tweet Moses. And if you take a look on this one, we have a new activated card right here. New balance $10,000. Card is not registered. Sign up at www. It's not the www. It's not the www website. It says right there. Sign up at starbucks.com. Thank you for your patience. And if you guys pull out this card real quick, the gift card that keeps on going. What's that again? I'm gonna have to read it. The gift card that keeps on going. Sorry about that. Register this gift card at starbucks.com. Join rewards. It's the first step towards collecting stars and getting free stuff from Starbucks rewards. Alright, thank you to the Starbucks manager. And now check this out. We have a new gift card from Starbucks. Thank you, Starbucks rewards. Thank you. Alright, so thank you to Starbucks for giving us a reward. So we're gonna put this card here, and we're gonna have to close it up. Alright, excuse me for 1 second. I gotta close it up my envelope here. Excuse me for 1 second. I gotta close my envelope. And we will try this again later. Alright, I'm just gonna have to leave it there for right now. I'm gonna have to leave this one for right now. And we're gonna close this thing up. And you guys will have fun at Starbucks. Okay, we're closing this up right now because Starbucks needs to get returned. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so I just closed up the Starbucks right here, and this is it. This is finally it. And we have the Ford Tweedle here. And the next one, we have a new Christmas holidays. So if you open this up, twist it like this. Oh. Okay. So we have a new chocolate from, what's that again? So we have a new chocolate from Foreigner Watcher. Our new chocolates. Special thanks to the Foreigner Watcher. Okay. So we're done for this point. Let's go ahead and close this up. And we're gonna put back the Starbucks gift card and the receipt. Where's the receipt? Oh, right there. Sorry about that. This is all my gifts, something, or maybe, yeah. This is all the gifts when the presents threw them away. Sorry about that for this video. I apologize. All my new stuffs are coming by next time. So wait until the end. Wait until the end of this video, and you guys will have more details after this. So I'm just gonna have to hang it up, this one right there, and I'm not gonna lose it. So gonna have to hang it up. Okay. And after this one, you guys, let's go ahead and go back to this video. Okay, so we're done for the first one from Starbucks. And the next box is from Forenco Golden Gasui. Or, it's not Gasui, it's Gaui. Okay, Forenco Golden Gaui. Signature. Alright, so here's the first box. So here's the Foreigner Golden Gaui from Signature. or maybe it's the signature with a lots of chocolates going on through there, and we have a new place. And a lots of chocolates just came by. So I need to know that when the lots of chocolates just came by. So find associated chocolates. The art of IOE 6 pieces, or maybe it's not pieces, I mean 6 recipes. 12 premium specials. Net WT, net with the 42 gourds of 120 calories. So this is the first box of Ferngul Golden Gallery. This is the signature, and it came so lots of chocolate food there. So that's why we have lots of chocolates food there. So here's the spine, and if we take a look up there, we have the spine, and here's the back. We have lots of chocolates came open. So here's the back of this box. Lots of chocolates just came. Lots of pieces food there. This is cool. So lots of chocolates came by into the next pieces. This is cool. So yeah. Thank you to the Ferngul Golden Gallery for giving us a signature. Special thanks to him. So I'm gonna have to set it right here. And let's go ahead and move on. Okay, let's move on to the third one. Alright, so here's one hoodie and one shirt when I got it from the Christmas holidays. And let's see, what do we have? Okay, so first off, we have a new Levi's. When I'm gonna show it off camera. Okay, let's see. Okay, so someone just sent me a Levi's right here. And what's this? Levi's. Thank you to Levi's. This is the Levi's hoodie right here. Alright, special thanks to Levi's for giving us a new Christmas holidays. Special thanks to him. You're welcome. And for the last one, we're gonna have to show you at the end. Special thanks to Levi's for giving us a hoodie. And there's one more holiday present that we can open. Here we go. Alright, so will we just send me a text? No problem. Thank you for coming us over for the Christmas holidays. We cannot see into the reply. Alright, so before you guys get out of here, there's one more thing that we can show you. William Blog bought this for me for the Christmas present, Christmas holiday present. So before when we get out of here, I'm gonna show William Blog gave me that present for Christmas. Let's see. Okay, so before you guys go, here's the PlayStation T when I got it from Target. Here it is, PlayStation T. And here's the size of XL from PlayStation. So special thanks to William Blog for giving me a PlayStation T. Special thanks. And this is it. Alright guys, we're done for today's video. Alright, so we're done for the presents from the Christmas holidays. Alright, so we're done doing a Christmas holidays here. What I got for Christmas in 2020. We're done for all of the stuff today. Alright, so we're gonna end this video right now. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. Be sure to subscribe. Hit us a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys want a gift. And turn on the notification and hit the bell so you can have more gifts than that. So you don't want to miss a video though. So if you guys want a gift, sign up to the magazine and send us your Christmas cards. And once you're done sending us your Christmas cards, email it to me and return it back to the address. The email subscription is from tylerpepper2nd@gmail.com. So return it to the email address and we will send you one back from us through the family. Alright, so Merry Christmas everyone and Happy Holidays. Stay safe. Thank you and we will see you next time. Bye bye. cannot believe this, Leland. What is the matter with you? Carol?
Leland's cutting up my recycle dress. Oh no, Leland! Don't do that.
Carol, guess what you just did?
Do something! Yeah, I'm not hurt. We can't do anything. No.
It's completely ruined. Can you sew it? Mommy's good at sewing. Maybe. Stay in your room. Oh.
God! You stay in your room.
You are grounded for a week. Go to your room. Go to your room.
Go to your room.
Ow!